Hey everyone, and welcome back to Leesolife. We're an Aussie family exploring all things Disney travel, and today we're taking you on a full tour of the Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. And let me tell you, it is absolutely stunning. This is one of 6 Disneyland hotels around the world, and it's got that perfect mix of Victorian elegance and Disney magic. From the moment you drive up, you can feel that classic Disney charm. The hotel has this beautiful Victorian design with manicured gardens, fountains, and even little hidden Mickeys scattered throughout. It's peaceful, calm, and feels like stepping into a fairy tale. It's also close to the park, just a few minutes by shuttle or a super easy 15-minute walk. Inside, the lobby is really beautiful and grand, with high ceilings, chandeliers, and that signature Disney attention to detail. The cast members here are so welcoming, and if you're lucky, you might even spot Mickey or Minnie in their classic hotel outfits greeting guests in the lobby. It really does set the tone for your stay, elegant, magical, and full of Disney touches everywhere you look. Now it's time to go and check out our room.
Room number 5051. Okay, here we go.
Alright, let's check out our room. So we're staying in a sea view room with a balcony here at the Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel, and it's absolutely beautiful. The room has such a classic and elegant Disney feel. You've got 2 double beds with polished wooden headboards featuring Tinkerbell and the 3 good fairies, and this is such a subtle and magical touch that really adds to the room's charm. The space feels bright and open with Disney artwork on the walls, plenty of storage, and a small sitting area that's perfect for relaxing after a park day. The bathroom is spacious and spotless, and yes, even the toiletries are Disney themed, which we absolutely love, and I did pack them into my bag to take home. Now, we did find the beds to be a little on the firm side for us. Probably firmer than what we're used to back home, but honestly, the guest services team went above and beyond to help. We called down to see if there was anything they could do, and they came up and added extra duvets under the sheets to make the beds softer for us. It made such a difference, and we honestly can't fault how much effort they put in to make sure we were comfortable. And of course, the real highlight is the balcony view. Step outside and you're greeted with a stunning view of the South China Sea and a little bit of heat that also smacks you in the face. You can see the gardens below, the water stretching out to the horizon, and it's the perfect place to enjoy a morning coffee or unwind at sunset. This room strikes the perfect balance between Disney magic and resort style relaxation, with service that truly does go above and beyond. One of the things we really loved about staying here is that Hong Kong Disneyland opens a little later, usually around 10 a.m, so you don't feel that same early morning rush you get in the US parks. It means we can actually take our time in the mornings and really just enjoy being here. You can also order room service, and we really do highly recommend it. We ordered breakfast one morning and it was incredibly fresh and delicious, everything from fruit and pastries to hot dishes that arrived piping hot.
I think 298 Hong Kong, so about 60 Australian.
We loved the buffet breakfast downstairs, but there was something really special about sitting down on the balcony in our PJs, eating breakfast and finishing our coffee while taking in that sea view. It was the perfect peaceful start to the day before heading to the park. The Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel has some incredible dining options, and we definitely made the most of them during our stay. The main restaurant here is Enchanted Garden, which offers a buffet-style dining experience for both breakfast and dinner. What makes it truly special are the character meet and greets that happen right at your table. You can enjoy your meal while Mickey, Minnie, Pluto, and other classic Disney characters come for photos, hugs, and a chat. and in Pluto's case, a rub of the nose. It's such a special and magical experience, especially for families with kids. The buffet itself has a huge variety of food, everything from fresh fruit, pastries, and made-to-order omelettes to traditional Asian dishes, roast meats, and a dessert selection that looks like something straight out of a fairy tale. There's something for every taste, and it's all beautifully presented. We'll have a full Enchanted Garden dining video coming soon where we'll show you the full buffet and character experiences, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. You've also got Crystal Lotus, which serves Disney-themed dim sum like Mickey-shaped dumplings, and then there's Walt's Café, which is a lovely spot for a quieter, more refined meal. Walt's Café offers both Western and Asian-inspired dishes and has a relaxed, elegant atmosphere, perfect for lunch or dinner if you're after something a bit more peaceful away from the park crowds. Now, one thing to note, the hotel doesn't have a quick service option like we're used to in the US parks and resorts. After a night in the parks, we found ourselves feeling a little bit hungry and wanted a snack. But here your choices are to sit down for a meal or order room service, and that can get a little pricey. So that's something to be aware of and maybe plan for, especially if you like late night snacks like we do. Whether you want a big buffet experience with characters or a quiet breakfast on your balcony, this hotel really caters for every kind of Disney morning. One of the things we love about Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel is that it really feels like a resort, not just a place to sleep after a park day. There's so much to do right here on property. The hotel has 2 beautiful swimming pools, one indoor and one outdoor, and both are absolutely amazing. The outdoor pool is surrounded by tropical gardens and has a relaxing holiday vibe with a water slide that's perfect for kids and plenty of lounges for parents to kick back and unwind. Then there's the indoor pool, which is fully enclosed and beautifully themed with big arched windows that let in plenty of natural light. It's a great option if the weather isn't perfect or you just want a quieter swim. Both pools are heated and there are always plenty of fresh towels and plenty of space to spread out. There's also a fitness center that's clean, bright, and offers a great selection of machines and free weights. We don't usually use the gym when we're on holiday, but for those who like to keep up their workouts, it's definitely a nice inclusion. Around the resorts, you'll also find the Mickey Maze in the gardens, open lawns for kids to explore, and plenty of shaded walkways to wander through. It's a beautiful property to explore, and even if you're not heading into the park that day, there's still plenty to enjoy right here at the hotel. Now, one of the most magical experiences here for kids is the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique, located right inside the hotel. It's the ultimate fairy tale experience where little ones can be transformed into princesses, princes, or knights with costumes, hairstyling, and a sprinkle of pixie dust. It's beautifully themed and run by cast members who make the experience feel truly special. You'll also find some handy extras around the resort. There's an ATM if you need Hong Kong dollars and a portable charger hire station that's incredibly convenient. The Hong Kong heat can really drain your phone battery quickly, so being able to hire a charger right here in the hotel is an absolute lifesaver. Even better, once you have one, you can swap it out at other portable charger stations inside the park, just like the FuelRods system in the other Disney resorts. For us, the Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel really captures what we love about Disney travel. It's elegant, calm, and full of those little Disney details that make every moment feel special. The service here has been incredible, from softening our beds to making sure every request was handled with genuine care. The dining options have been amazing, the pools are beautiful, and the resort has everything you could need, even practical touches like the ATM and portable charger hire stations, which make traveling so much easier. It's that combination of Disney magic and convenience that makes this hotels stand out. You can have a relaxed breakfast on your balcony, enjoy world-class dining with characters, take a dip in the pool, and still be just minutes from the park. What we really love is how accessible Hong Kong Disneyland feels for Aussies. It's only about a 9-hour flight from Melbourne and the time difference is minimal. The whole experience feels like the perfect Disney getaway, close enough to make it doable, but still filled with all the Disney magic we love. For Aussies looking for a Disney holiday that's a little closer to home, a little easier to get to, but every bit as magical, this hotel and this park might just be the perfect choice. Thanks so much for joining us on our Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video in our Hong Kong Disneyland series, where we head into the park and show you why this really is the perfect Disney destination for Aussie families.